Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to crochet this unisex sandals, size 42. That's it. So we have 4 colors here: green, ash, wine color or horse blood, then deep blue. It's a simple design, just cross, cross, cross. The challenge there is just the measurement. So I normally say if you want to get the upper part of the person's leg, everybody's leg are not the same as in the upper part. So if you want to get the exact measurement, you can use your measuring tape, or better say your last to measure the upper part of the leg, depending on the how the person's leg is. So here I will explain all I did here. So the challenge is just the measurement. So this is size 42. I started the front one. So the front one is this green and this horse blood. So I started two of them with this. I started with 37 chains. The same with this horse blood, 37 chains to this point. So I make 5 rows of single crochet. On each row, I increase with 1 stitch. That what I mean is that at the end, you make single crochet on first 2 stitches of the sew. Turn and skip 1 stitch. With that, the row will increase with 1 stitch. Then for the back design, for the back belt, this ash and this blue, I started with 46 chains. 46 chains from here to this point. Then make 5 rows of single crochet. Then cross. So you check very well how I crossed it. This one enter under this one like this. You can check the crossing. You can see it. Then for the back belt, see how I did it. You can see it. So for this back belt, I started with 25 chain. As in I make 25 chain of with this green color, then add this blue color, then make 40 chains with this blue color. 25, 40 chains with this blue color. Then make 2 rows of green, 2 rows of blue. Then add ash, 3 rows of ash, then 3 rows of wine color. That's how I got this belt. Then this short belt, I made it. Just check how I see it. I fix it like this. So I make 15 chains of green. Then make 3 rows of single crochet with green. Then finish up with 3 rows of single crochet with ash.